this video, we will show you how to extend the life of the Survivor Filter Straw Ultra Filter. This will help flush out any small particles that may be blocking the ultra filter and decreasing the normal flow rate. All you need is clean filtered water, a collapsible canteen, and the ultra filter. First, push up on the base of the ultra filter with your thumbs and remove from the casing. The mesh screen should pop off. Next, flip the ultra filter and insert it 1/3 of the way down, roughly to the T of the word filter. It's normal to feel some resistance. Then, screw on the base of the Survivor filter and attach to a collapsible canteen. You can also use a soda bottle. Squeeze the canteen or bottle, allowing clean water to flow backwards through the ultra filter and flushing out any blockages or small debris. Repeat as necessary until clean, clear water flows out of the ultra filter. Be sure to air dry before storing. Avoid exposure to direct sunlight and store away from excessive heat sources. You can purchase replacement filters officially on our website with the link down below.